problem for Bitcoin is all the regulatory uncertainty. Even in the United States, you're starting to see that. I mean, what do you think about this? Does Bitcoin need the kind of regulation that these countries are talking about, or is this just unhelpful meddling in what's going on in this market?
Well, look, what we saw in 2017 was truly the Wild West. None of the crypto trading was regulated. You had new cryptocurrencies being issued almost on a daily basis, where they would just open up a cryptocurrency wallet and then be open for business, and people would be sending millions of dollars to these crypto wallets. So I think some regulation is good.
What was the danger of that? Getting back to Brian's question, did that need to be regulated, or was free market and the technology itself enough of a policing?
Well, what happened was we saw Bitcoin go from 1,000 earlier in 2017 to 20,000 at the end of the year. So people just kind of piled in thinking all these other cryptocurrencies were going to appreciate in the same manner. What people didn't realize was that Bitcoin has been around since 2009. There's a lot of underlying technology development that's happened, which makes it more robust, which makes it more secure than all these other cryptocurrencies out there.
Yeah, but except time and again, almost week after week, just last week, cryptocurrency worth $170 million goes missing from an Italian exchange. Pump and dump schemes galore. Absolutely. Because it's unregulated. So that's one of the huge issues. And again, the lawmakers are going to step in and do something about it. Even here in the United States, it's being discussed.
Yes.
What's interesting is that they're talking about, I mean, and like I said, regulation is important, but what's interesting is that, they did this in the stock market, and the SEC had to come and shut down a bunch of publicly traded companies that were changing blockchain. They were putting blockchain in their name and watching their stock price increase, So, regulation is key. I think it's, for the long-term growth of cryptocurrencies, we do need some regulation. But I think that the media does a bad job of covering this and making it seem that, the only, schemes and the only bad guys are in cryptocurrency, which is totally not true. I mean, there's plenty of bad Ponzi schemes in the stock market. Plenty of, even though there is the SEC is supposed to regulate the stock market, I mean, there's thousands of publicly traded companies, so it takes time for governments. They're slow, they're inefficient. It's not like they're going to clamp down right away. And we even saw that with BitConnect. It was a giant Ponzi scheme, and, Texas tried to get involved, and, it was able to still run its Ponzi scheme for a little bit longer. I mean, the only real way that these Ponzi schemes will collapse is, actually from, the price of Bitcoin going down a lot. But, long term, I think that regulation is good, that, we do need the regulation if you want growth in cryptocurrency, and if you do want to bring in the Wall Street, the institutional investors, they're going to want, some sort of regulation set up. So as a cryptocurrency investor myself, I would like to see the market cap go up to, 10 trillion. In order to hit that 10 trillion market cap, I think we are going to need regulation, not just in the US, but all over the globe. And yeah, I mean, obviously there's going to always be schemes, whether you're investing in stocks or, you're investing in cryptocurrency or even businesses. There's always people trying to run a hustle and try to sell crap and, do pump and dumps and make money the shiesty way. So it's good that Fox News is giving some coverage to cryptocurrencies, and I do have to kind of agree that regulations are important. But at the same time, I feel like some of these people on Fox News are just trying to scare people away, which, whatever, it is what it is. And like I said, I think over time, as people learn more about the technology, we won't have this issue. But definitely let me know what you guys think. Please leave your comments, and I will try to get back to you guys. And if you haven't had a chance, please subscribe to the channel. We're getting closer and closer to 2,000 subscribers, and the goal for this channel is hopefully by the end of 2018 we'll hit 10,000 subscribers, which would be amazing. But I will talk to you guys soon, and thank you for your support. I really appreciate it, and I hope to keep providing you guys good information on cryptocurrencies.